I'm going to show you how to make Parmesan snowflakes today. So very simply, you use 100% Parmesan cheese. Normally I like to grate it myself, and when I say long grain, I mean long pieces of Parmesan, as long as you can make them, will make the nicest display. You then put them on your baking sheet with some parchment paper in about a teaspoon of a size into a little clump. You're going to bake them at 400 for 3 to 5 minutes. So I like to do them for 3 minutes. It leaves them a little soft in the center and makes them nice and chewy. And this is how they turn out. You want to let them cool a bit on the tray before you take them off, but they make nice little snowflakes.